Hello everyone, welcome back to our Computer Essentials module. This is our second session and this will take about 10 minutes. In this session, we will be discussing about hardware, software, operating systems, memory, storage units and storage devices. And we will also compare ourselves with computers for everything we discuss. Let us see what is hardware and what is software. Any physical part of a computer is called hardware. It could be the CPU, keyboard, mouse, speaker, or printer. And since they are physical, we can see and touch them. On the other hand, software is something different. You won't see and you can't touch. It is the set of instructions that tells computer what to do. Remember, we discussed about program in session 1. A software is nothing but a program. Now, for a better understanding, let us once again compare ourselves with a computer. Okay? Our body and body parts are like hardware, which you can see and touch. Software is like the instructions we have inside our brain. For example, we follow a set of instructions to make a cup of coffee. These instructions cannot be seen but can be used to perform a job. Remember, hardware and software go hand in hand and work as a team. It is like our body and soul. A body cannot function without the soul, and the soul can do nothing by itself. Is it clear? Great. Now let us explore what an operating system is. An operating system is a special kind of program that controls the computer's resources, including all hardware and all software. The operating system is the first program to load when you start your computer, and it makes sure everything works together smoothly. Without an operating system, your computer wouldn't know what to do. It is like our brain. As we all know, our brain is the one that controls our body and makes sure all organs work as a team to perform a task. Similarly, the operating system controls the computer and makes sure all hardware and software work together as a team to perform a task. There are many different operating systems available, such as Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and Android. Next, we will explore how computer memory works. Alright, let us dig into something computers need just like we need memory. Think about it. How do you remember your best friend's birthday or how to ride a bike? It is all stored in your brain, right? Computers use memory to store information too. There are two main categories of memory, primary and secondary. First, we will check the primary memory. The primary memory is the one built inside the computer and it has two types. The first type is called read only memory or ROM for short. Imagine this is like the information you are born with, stuff like your name and birthday. That information is stuck there and can't be changed. Similarly, when computers are manufactured, the manufacturers will burn some instructions into ROM that every computer need to work with. The second type is random access memory or RAM. This is more like your short-term memory. When you are working on a homework assignment or playing a game, that information is stored in RAM. And once you are done with the assignment or the game, that information will be gone. Same way, when you turn off the computer, poof, all the information in the RAM will be gone. So, RAM is like a workspace for the computer to keep things it is currently using, while ROM holds on to the permanent stuff. Remember, both types of memory are important for a computer to function, just like both short term and long term memory are important for you to learn and grow. Alright, guys, we are still talking about computers' memory. We have learned about RAM, That super fast memory inside the CPU that remembers things that for a short time. But what if you want to store stuff for a longer period, like your favorite game or a whole bunch of photos? That is where secondary storage comes in. These secondary storage devices are external units you can connect to your computer as and when needed. They come in different varieties like CDs, DVDs, USB flash drives, and memory cards. They all store information in a digital format that the computer can understand. Think of it like this: RAM is like your scratch paper you use. You can write down things you need right now, but once you are done with the work you are doing, that scratch paper goes into the trash. Secondary storage is like your notebooks and textbooks. They can hold information for a long time, even when the computer is turned off. Okay? Now it is time to investigate how much stuff can the storage devices hold. We measure storage space in units like kilobytes, megabytes, and gigabytes. Did you know that a 1 GB pen drive can hold approximately 107 crore 37 lakhs 41,824 characters? That is almost 357 lakhs 914 pages of A4 size text. Unbelievable, right? With this, our second session comes to an end. We remind you to review the video once again to get the concepts better and clear. In the next session, we will discuss computer languages, program, and programming. Until then, bye bye, guys. Oh, by the way, don't hesitate to comment or raise questions. If you are looking for a one on one session, please contact me through WhatsApp or email. See you in the next session. Bye.